Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up Google Authenticator for Binance. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Tap on the Binance icon in the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, then select Security. Tap on Authenticator app. If you haven't already, tap on Download Authenticator app to be directed to download Google Authenticator from your app store. Go back to the Binance app and tap on Enable. Binance will send a verification code to your registered email address. Open your Gmail app, find the email from Binance, and copy the verification code provided. Return to the Binance app and paste the verification code into the provided field. Then tap on Submit. Binance will then display a key or QR code. Open the Google Authenticator app and ensure you are logged in. Tap on the plus icon or Add Account and choose to scan the QR code or manually enter the key you received from Binance. Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code for Binance. Go back to the Binance app and tap on Next. Enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator in the provided field on Binance, then tap on Submit. You will see a confirmation message indicating that Google Authenticator has been successfully set up for your Binance account. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.